So this is gonna be a quick reaction video. I got a comment from one Amechi 415, and that comment is all about trying to um, claim or that trying to attack. That's a better word. Trying to attack what Igbos are doing and what Biafrans are doing, of course. And some of you that are, if you are fond of commenting or maybe you are conversant with comment section, maybe this name should not be a strange name to you. Amechi. This guy have been committing nuisance on comment section, but sometimes he sounds like he's Ogengere, member. Sometimes he sounds like he's confused about what he wants. But whether he's in support or against, here we are going to tell you the truth, no matter who the person may be. He said something and he was replying to Caro. He said, I can see how you are enjoying your USB and bridge and your bridge government in exile. You are enjoying you are angry at one Nigeria while running two USB government. Brain dead imbecile. That is the comment for the one of the comment. Because everybody, if you come across his comment on YouTube, on comment section here, many of you know him and some of you don't take his comment likely. I mean, you always want to respond to him, and this is not the only comment he made here. He says something again. This what I'm reading now, all the comments is not actually the reason why I'm replying him, but he ended up send the link of Very Dark Man channel to the comment section. I don't like sharing people's link on my platform, but he don't care. Okay, now there are two actually. This one is from Amechi. Then another person that is not Amechi but sounds like the same is this one. He said, you see this Ngozi or Abeze group are pure IPOB Nigerian products. I swear, since Ngozi or Abeze becomes leader of Biafran struggle, did anybody see Ikenga? Okay, he said, okay, let me take it again. He said, I swear, since Ngozi Abeze becomes leader of Biafran struggle, did anybody see Iken Guruago talk again? Did anybody hear IPB Nigeria talk again? Emeka Gift again. Why our homeland is on fire? What he said, does it make sense to you? You don't. I don't know what he's trying to what he want to achieve by this comment, but everything is about attack on CS. He said he started the comment by saying, "You see, this Ngozi Representatives group are pure IPOB Nigerian product. I swear, since Ngozi Representatives becomes leader of." So what he's trying to tell you that because DOS and Emeka Gift, Guru Ago, that they're no more talking about attacking anybody. That is because their people are now leading, which is a lie. But because he's helped in creating, this kind of falsehood, which Ogenkere group are known for, right? He choose to use this one, trying to do propaganda. So another comment that is different from another person is the why like I said, why I'm touching this comment is for you to see the similar comment from Ogegere group. Ever since I made a reaction on that voice or video of Commander Gento, hand is okay in the comment section. Biafra, I understand that we are desperate. This is different from this group. This comment is, I mean, if I know this guy, I will give him a handshake. What he said here is very, very pure. But remember, we are coming back to the link of Very Dark Man, which this guy shared on the comment section. Biafrans, I understand that we are desperate to be free, but we must use our brain judiciously. We must cast our mind back to our redeclaration. That's our redeclaration of that declaration of Biafra in Finland, and understand that these criminals are bent on destroying all that we have collectively achieved. Ogenkere is using the money Akparawas, that's Akparawas, is getting from Akpabio to mock the Igbos, let's remember the sacrifice of our leader, our PM, and most importantly, our brethren back home has done with their seat at home. Now, if you check the money that took increase, rising from money they're raising from the fundraising, you cannot compare it with what CS is raising, right? But you see Ogenkere spending a lot of money. Where do you think he's getting the money from? Your guess is as good as mine. Some of you may say, oh, he's using it very, very well. No, he never raised such amount of money to pay, lobbyists to maintain all the office and liaison offices, like they claim they're still maintaining them, and to send to men on ground and all that. Where is he getting the money from? That's to tell you somebody somewhere sponsoring that. And Akpabio is somebody that everybody know that he was very, very vocal to attack PM. Very, very ready to attack PM. And that attack has not stopped. Why do you think that all of a sudden he stopped talking? There was a time PM said that he sent somebody to India, or he himself traveled to India, just to make sure that he destroyed everything. And that is not to tell you, that's not to say that he's the only one doing that. But as a Senate president, he's capable of doing things that he would have done. Let me leave it there. But Akparawason is non-vocal, very, very vocal. It could be that this rumor is true. I'm not here to tell you that it's true. I don't have evidence. But it could be true. Because when you begin to connect the dots, you begin to wonder. If you care to understand, you may wonder, so, okay, why is he saying all those things? Why is he doing all those things? Now, let me just cut the story short because I don't want the video to be too long. Let's hear from very dark man. Listen to what he said here. Just a moment. Okay, let's go. Let's go. The video is delaying. Just a moment. Let me try to refresh it back.
Without holding back anything, okay. Right? The truth is that a lot of these Indigo youths.
No, go back.
Right. So I'm going to say this thing without holding back anything, right? The truth is that a lot of these Indigo youths, especially those ones on Twitter, I'm beginning to believe that a lot of you are politically sponsored and politically motivated to say a lot of things. A lot of you just lie and hide under the, oh, we are standing for Indigos. The Indigo are marginalized, blah, blah, blah. A lot of you lie. Every day you say you stand up for Igbo. This IBB's book, this IBB's new revelation is supposed to be a kickoff point to actually come out and talk. Actually come out and demand. We see your forefathers suffer for how many years? Finally, one truth don't come out. Finally, that's not the whole truth though. Finally, IBB decides, okay, won't give now one truth. It was not an Igbo coup. It was a narrative pushed against the Igbos, which led to a lot of buying, which led to a lot of destruction to the.
So let me cut him short. What he's trying to say here is that Igbo people should have come out publicly to protest and, show their grievances and all that. This guy don't understand what it takes to be an Igbo, an Igbo person in Nigeria. You don't understand it. I dare you. Do you know? You should ask yourself, why is it that a protest that every other tribe are doing, once Igbo man appeared there, the story will change. Imagine if Igbo will start now, okay, let us march on the street, oh, we are protesting, oh, they have, IBB, thank you have given us a revelation that we don't. If you try that, you see that book, they may ban it. Not only, I don't care if but the book is banned, but the tear gas and the kind of Igbo people will be second to none. This guy don't understand. Don't understand.
I never see Anambra man where stand up. I never see Enugu man where stand up. I never see Ebonyi man where stand up. I never see this one stand up. Just do a walk for your forefathers. Do one. Una to stay for Twitter up and down. No walkings. If one Yoruba man talk, if you have someone talking, if another tribe, but no walkings. Your forefathers will be embarrassed. They'll be ashamed. They'll be rolling in their grave.
If they start the protest, you yourself will still come out with on your platform and say, no, they do. Why can you just, this should be a normal protest, a peaceful protest, that there's allegation that one Igbo man trying to harass a police officer with a, how can you be protesting with a rifle? This could be IPOB members. They will cook up a story. You know, some of you live like someone like him. You live in Nigeria. You are in the system. You know people know you, but you don't understand the gravity of marginalization and injustice that Igbo people are facing. That's just a fact. It is easy to criticize from afar. I dare you to be an Igbo man and do what you're doing as a very dark man, as a Rete, is it Rete or the Rete group that you have formed. All this thing you're doing is because you're a Doma. I dare you to be able to try it.
Guy men, they flex, they do things together, they chill. Top, it's not like that, though. Just to understand today that all this tribalism and everything, now from down, you see at the top, it's not like that, though. Those guy men, they flex, they do things together.
True. But it is true, but you don't understand. You don't understand the reason why it is there up. They are flexing and everything is because somebody is taking the pen, and they're taking it because there's some little leftover for them to enjoy personal enjoyment, personal, achievement. Once you say your tribe and you'll be very, very rich, stinkly rich, and nobody's gonna care to know your source of income or dare to challenge you whatsoever. Do you understand? That is what is playing at. The politicians are enjoying they're doing things together, they're doing because the politicians from eastern part accept to be a slave. That is why it looks so simple, and so they are flexing together. I deep down their mind, they know that they have been subjugated. But why they don't want to voice that? Because there's some still left over for them to enjoy, which is personal achievement, which they don't joke at all. They don't joke with it. That is what they want. So if you think that is no, they're enjoying, no, you're lying to yourself. You don't know what is at stake. That's not the fact, like I said. That's not the fact. It is easy for you to criticize. Very, very, very easy to criticize, my dear. But the truth of the matter is that those who are receiving the pen don't understand the very well.
I don't even see a campaign that says arrest IPP, let him pay for his
Can you imagine that he's not even seen any campaign that is chanting or promoting a gun arrest IBB, really? An Igbo man to bring a suggestion that IBB will be even Yoruba don't have the power to arrest IBB. No, you see, these guys don't even anywhere. What you are doing is you're just if you cross boundary, try all this you're doing. Why don't you confront politicians? You can only confront celebrity, influencers, artists, average. One day, do this your very dark man movement. Try it with an active politician who understand who is in the game. If I file give me everything, email all this one. Don't IBB that have look at atheism. It's because of his book that many of us begin to understand where atheism started, like who helped him, who made atheism who he is. He happened to be IBB. According to the story, that's why he donated 500 million in his book launching. Some of you will have seen that launching of that book. The money is for what? Did IBB tell you where he's gonna use the money, or what the money is gonna made for? Your guess is good at mine. This is a former head of state that nobody questioned, even at his age. Former military, head of state of Nigeria and all that. But he still have the power, and his boys are the one running the show. Request and I say they arrest him. My people, I just want to make a quick reaction to this. Some of you, like the guy that shared the link, I don't know what you want to achieve with it. The link is not even something that you should be. Are you trying to tell the Igbo people or Biafrans that they should focus on how to promote that IBB video, book launching, or whatever he said in the book? Is that what you're trying to achieve or what? I don't get it, but let it be a story for another day. My people, like this video and tell me what you think about what we have just discussed. And subscribe to the channel. See you again. Bye bye for now.